City-sized comet racing toward Earth regrows horns after massive volcanic eruption. An enormous volcanic comet the size of the small city has violently exploded for the second time in 4 months as it hurtles towards the sun. And just like the previous eruption, the cloud of ice and gas emitted what looked like a gigantic pair of horns. The comet, named 12P Ponsbrookes, is a cryvolcanic or cold volcano comet. It has a solid nucleus with an estimated diameter of 18.6 miles and is filled with the mix of ice, dust and gas known as crymagma. The nucleus is surrounded by the fuzzy cloud of gas called a coma, which leaks out of the comet's interior. When solar radiation hits the comet's insides, the pressure builds up and the comet violently explodes, shooting its frosty guts out into the space through the large cracks in the nucleus's shell. On October 5th, astronomers detected a large outburst from 12P after the comet became dozens of the times brighter due to the extra light reflecting from its expanded coma, according to the British Astronomical Association, which has been closely monitoring the comet. And over the next few days, the comet's coma expanded further and developed its peculiar horns, spaceweather.com reported. Some experts joked that the irregular shape of the coma also makes the comet look like a science fiction spaceship, such as Millennium Falcon from the Star Wars. The unusual shape of the comet's coma is likely due to an irregularity of the shape of the 12P's nucleus. The outflowing gas is likely being partially obstructed by the notch sticking out on the nucleus. As the gas continues to expand away from the comet, the irregularity of the coma shape becomes more defined and noticeable. 12P is currently hurtling towards the inner solar system, where it will be slingshot around the sun on its highly applicable 71-year-old orbit around our home star, similar to the green comet Nishimura, which pulled off a near identical maneuver on September 17th. 12P will reach its closest point to Earth on April 21, 2024, when it may become visible to the naked eye before being catapulted back toward the outer solar system. It will not return until 2095. This is the second time 12P has sprouted its horns this year, and on July 20th, astronomers witnessed the comet blow its top for the first time in 69 years. On that occasion, 12P's coma grew to around 143,000 miles, which is around 7,000 times wider than the comet's nucleus. In December 2022, 29P experienced its largest eruption in around 12 years, which sprayed around 1 million tons of the crymagma into the space. And in April this year, for the first time ever, scientists accurately predicted one of the 29P's eruptions before it actually happened, thanks to a slight increase in the comet's brightness in the lead up to the icy explosions. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.